Hello everyone, my name is Siamisang Moroagae. I am the black owner of this here boutique. First of all, I would like to thank GRACE Artisan for giving me this opportunity to excel in areas that I didn't know about the business. Thank you for seeing the potential in me. When I was having doubts in myself, when I was looking down on myself, when I was aiming small, when I was dreaming small. But now, since I've started the program, I'm dreaming big. I'm dreaming big. I'm dreaming of collaborating with other industries. Hello everyone,